Welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here for Fragrance Friday with Miss Dior Perfume, which was created in 2021 because they recreated the fragrance. So this is the 2021 version of it. This is phenomenal if you like warm, sweet, floral gourmands, right? This is perfect for that. So you'll see I have the dabber. Now I have the dabber because I bought my husband the Sauvage Elixir and this came with it. And I'm like, oh, this is so cute. Because normally it wasn't on my radar to buy, but then I got it and I'm like, oh, this is really floral. And then I wore it a few times and I'm like, oh, this is nice. It is a great summertime, springtime, daytime fragrance. And I feel like it's great for all occasions for those of you who are 25 or under. This is a very elegant, sweet floral fragrance, but it's useful. It realistically is very useful. This smells like something someone who's 25 or under would wear if they were going to work out or if they were going to the library or to hang out with their friends during the daytime. This is one of those girlish, youthful fragrances that we have here. It has top notes of iris, followed by peony and lily of the valley. So you're gonna get hit with those floral notes. Your heart/secondary notes include apricot, rose, and peach, followed by your base notes of vanilla, musk, sandalwood, tonka bean, and benzoin. So that's what you're going to get at dry down. Now, I want you to keep in mind when you first spray this fragrance and for quite some time, what you're going to smell is the vanilla, followed by apricot, as well as the rose. So you're going to get a huge burst of that and you're going to smell it for a while. The dry down of it is very warm and it's soft, and you still get a little bit of those floral notes sprinkled in. And it also reminds me of like a simpler version of Viktor & Rolf's Flower Bomb, because I have that also. And I'm like, it feels like it fits within this, but the youthful version of Viktor & Rolf's Flower Bomb. I feel like Viktor & Rolf's Flower Bomb could go much older than this. So this is like this is the younger sister to Viktor & Rolf's Flower Bomb. It has great performance and great projection, lasting anywhere between, I want to say 6 to 8 hours. It will last for quite a bit. The projection anywhere within an arm's distance. This is not something I feel like is going to leave a trail. I've worn fragrances where I've sprayed and I've had people like, oh my God, you smell so good. What are you wearing? This, I don't feel like is one of those where it's going to leave a huge trail. It's intimate if someone is very close to you. It's also a good, safe office fragrance. Again, in the youthful era, I feel like it's great for that. If pink had a fragrance, this I feel like is what pink would smell like. This is something Barbie will wear. This is Barbie's signature fragrance. I don't know if it really is, but I feel like if Barbie had a fragrance, this is what she would wear. And it has like a very soft, velvety, creamy dry down. It genuinely is a very beautiful fragrance. If you have this fragrance, I would love to know what you think of it. Do you get a lot of compliments for her? Does it last long for you? Is it a staple in your fragrance section, or is it something you kind of slide to the back? Either way, I want to hear from you. If you have not already subscribed, I welcome you right now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be welcome to the fragrance family. I want to see you back in the next video. Until then, take care, Scent Squad. See you later.